today's video we are talking about what are the components in the Azure. So when you are appearing in an interview or when you want to become a project, if you are in the project, so definitely the first question will be client ask or the interviewer will ask like question. For example, what are the components, main components you need to deal with in your project, and what are the expertise, and they will ask you which are the expertise and how much rate you. So these kind of question you can expect. And when you're preparing for your client project and all, you need to more expertise on those projects that I will tell you. First thing will be the Azure Data Factory. The Azure Data Factory is a playground. You can do lot of things like a drag and drop, and you need to write your logic and all, because normally transferring data to the on-premises or cloud to one position to another. So that is the main using of the Azure Data Factory, like an ingestion. Then the second one will be the Databricks. For example, when you implement the Databricks, you need to do some kind of transformation. We can load the millions of data into a data frame and apply the transformation and store into the storages. So the Databricks. Then third will be the Azure Synapse. Azure Synapse is like an means the components of like storage account, storing account. There is a possibility to storage and the compute option. So that will be the Azure Synapse Analytics. So that we can implement lot of visualization effect, and we can load directly data from the external table and all. Lot of options are there. Then storage account. When you're using the storage account like file stores, blob storage, data lake Gen 2, different storage accounts are there. Based on your requirement and all, you can choose which one is better. And every time you need to know about which is cost efficient. Then only we can choose, because when we are in front of a client and we need to recommend it, when we need to analyze what are the different ways and what is the difference between each of the component. Because maybe if you want to store some video and a less GB or KB file, you can use the blob storages. Otherwise, you can use the Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Then the second one will be the HD Insight. When you are performing the big data analytics, HD Insight will help you to load and transform those kind of things. Then next one will be the polybases. Polybases, when you want to store or move the data from the external sources from on-premises directly into the storage account, the polybase will help you. With the help of Synapse Analytics, the polybase comes into the picture. Then moving on the other kinds of things, Function App and Azure Function, Azure Key Vault. For security, you can use Azure Key Vault. I think these are the important components when you are discussing stream analytics. So see, stream analytics also there. When you're streaming, for example, there are two type of thing: batch processing and stream analysis. When you're performing in the streaming kind of thing, Event Hub, stream analytics will help you. IoT Hub. So these kind of help you to process and take the data from there. I think it is clear. Thank you.